Once upon a time, in a quiet village in Japan, there lived a renowned Zen master named Nanin. He was known far and wide for his wisdom and serenity. People from all walks of life came to seek his guidance. One day, a well-respected university professor visited Nanin, seeking to understand Zen. The professor, carrying a large bag of books and notes, was excited to meet Nanin. He had studied various philosophies and religions and believed he could understand Zen with his vast knowledge. "Master Nanin, I have come to learn about Zen. Please, enlighten me," the professor said, bowing respectfully. Nanin welcomed the professor and invited him to sit. He then offered the professor tea, a customary practice in Japan. Nanin began to pour tea into the professor's cup. The professor watched as the tea filled the cup, and soon, it started to overflow. Yet, Nanin continued pouring. "Master, stop. The cup is full." "No more will go in," the professor exclaimed, unable to contain his frustration. Nanin stopped pouring and looked at the professor. "Like this cup," Nanin said, "you are full of your own opinions and speculations. How can I show you Zen unless you first empty your cup?" The professor was stunned. He realized that to truly understand Zen, he needed to empty his mind of preconceived notions and approach learning with humility and openness. The professor spent the next few weeks with Nanin, practicing meditation and learning the ways of Zen with an open and empty mind. He discovered the profound peace and clarity that comes from letting go of ego and embracing the present moment. The story of the empty cup teaches us the importance of humility and openness in our quest for knowledge and understanding. It reminds us that sometimes, to gain new insights and wisdom, we must first let go of our preconceived notions and make space for new ideas.